if you're experiencing FPS drops in GTA 5, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to help stabilize your frame rate. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can significantly improve performance on lower-end systems. Step 3. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through Game Launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can help resolve performance issues. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing more power to be allocated to the game, which can help reduce FPS drops. Step 5. Monitor system temperature. Check your system's temperature using monitoring software. Overheating can cause performance throttling. Ensure your PC is well ventilated and consider cleaning dust from fans or using additional cooling solutions if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce FPS drops in GTA 5 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.